Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Supply and Demand Mastery. Today this video we are talking about the BOS and CHOCH. So what is the BOS? BOS is break of structure. So when the break of structure is formed in a continuation way, when this is an uptrend example, if the price is create a higher high than the previous higher resistance, then this is where we call the BOS. And the CHOCH full name is stand for change of character. So this is a break of the continuation. When the previous swing low for the bullish scenario is broken, this is where the change of character happens. Where in the meantime, this is another what we call the change of direction. That means the uptrend is going to end and going to reverse turn to the downtrend. And when we look at the line chart like this, here is a bullish scenario, an uptrend. So when the price keep moving upward, create a higher high, this is where the break of structure for the uptrend. When the important swing low break, this is where the change of character. But we have the fake and the real job. So you have to know how to differentiate. And this is another reversal of the trend. Trend reversal happens when we have the CHOCH after the CHOCH. Then this is a downtrend. So for a downtrend, when the price create a lower low, then here is all the break of structure. Let's see to the real chart. So this is one of the real chart, live chart we have here. And as a beginner, to make you get a better understanding, it's more easier to identify and detect where is the BOS, where is the CHOCH. I would recommend you to switch the chart to the line chart first. So when you look at the line chart, you can see here this is a uptrend and here is a downtrend. So for the uptrend, just now as we mentioned, for the uptrend when the price create a higher high, this is all the BOS. By the end, the price here failed to break another new higher high. And where is the important swing low? Looks like the important swing low is here, because this is where the momentum from for pushing the price breaks another structure, another new higher high for the bullish scenario. So this is where we identify the CHOCH happens. The trend has been reversed to the downtrend. Then as you can see, yes, when the price has formed a new lower low, looks like a double bottom here, and have a pullback, then break of structure again, form another new lower low. So this is the first BOS for the bearish scenario, right? So and when we continue and look here, we have another new lower low. This is the BOS as well. Then the price moving sideways between the range here, and finally broke the structure and form another new lower low, have a little bit of pullback, then break again the structure here. Then this is the lowest point of the current trend for this bearish scenario. And look at where is the momentum from. The momentum is from here, where the price lasts momentum to push the price to create the break of structure. So this is where we know it as a change of character. Then the price starting to have a reversal. Again, forms another BOS for the uptrend. Another BOS here for the uptrend. And this will be the important low when you see the swing is moving like this. Right? So this is also one of the important low when we have the CHOCH. But not every CHOCH will be responded by the BOS. So sometimes the CHOCH can be responded by the CHOCH. So that means here the market is indecisive. So they have no clear direction here. So we don't know whether the buyer in control or seller in control. They are still struggling between the range right here. So this is the, looks like, yes, we have the trend reversal. We have a small downtrend here. So maybe when you look at the lower time frame or smaller time frame, yes, this is a downtrend. But for this higher time frame, this is just a retracement, just a big retracement before want to continue for the uptrend. And here looks like we have another BOS again, right? For this downtrend, this a small downtrend here. Then finally, yes, the price continue again to break the previous important swing high here and respond by the CHOCH again. When you respond by the CHOCH, you can see the price here form another new higher high again with a break of structure. Here looks like I have another break of structure again. Here we have another break of structure. Because when you see this is one single move for every pullback here. So this is for every time when the price forms another new high for the bullish scenario, the uptrend. Then this is where the BOS happens. BOS happens once again here. Lastly here, this is the highest. But looks like the price unable to break new higher high again. Alright or not? The price unable to break higher high again. Then you look at the last momentum, where will be the last break of structure here. Then you see where the last price forms to break the last structure. It's here. Then we know this will be the important swing low for the uptrend. That means times this is also where the change of character happens. So this when the price broke the structure, the bottom, the swing low for the uptrend, then this could be another trend reversal again. But what happened? Looks like the price have another ranging sideways, doing the consolidation here. So we have to wait for another break of structure, another new low again to get the confirmation for the downtrend moving onwards. So this is a simplified of how we can identify the BOS and change of character. Hope you enjoyed this video. But in the future, we will talk about how to validate the BOS and the CHOCH. So before this, we must understand the mechanical market structure first. Another extra knowledge to know. So for every valid break of structure and the change of character, when you switch back to the candlestick, so the candle, it must be, for the uptrend, the candles must be close above the previous swing high. This is a key point. Or else, if the candles just leave a shadow a wick or a wick above, but at the end the price back to the range again and close lower, So this is just a liquidity sweep. This is not the valid BOS. So as we can see, for example here, right, this is one of a good example. So here, this is a previous swing high, right? We mark the highest point, but these candles, this is not the BOS, guys. Why? Because just leave the shadow behind. You see, the candles here just leave the shadow behind and close below this previous high. So where is the BOS happens? The BOS was happen when the candles have a solid breakout. Solid breakout, that means the candle is closing above the previous high. Then this is only what we call the valid break of structure to keep the price moving upwards again. So here, same as well. We change the candlestick. We have to get the previous latest swing high. Here, yes, we have the price close above the line. So same scenario for the downtrend, same as well. So for example, right here, this is where the previous lower low, right? We take this first support as our previous lower low. By the end, you can see here, these candles, these red candles just sweep the liquidity and close above the previous swing low. So this is not the break of structure happens. And here another candle touch again, but didn't manage to close lower than this support. And the price moving upwards again. Have another BOS. Right. Look at previous high right here. But when we saw this kind of the scenario, for me, this is not a strong one. Because as you can see, just a little bit close higher than the previous high. At the end, the candles back to the range again. Come another shadow. Here, same as well. So this is above this area. Right. All these candles here, this is the liquidity grab. Okay. Because the candles, you can see the market was staggering here, unable to very firm and break and continue the trend. You see, doing a lot of the sideways, touch, back to the range, touch and back to the range again. So that means here we have a very strong seller defense online, and yes, unable to break through by the buyer. At the end, the price push the price all the way down. So where is the break of structure happens? The break of structure happens when, yes, by these candles. You see here, candles also unable to break the structure, just leave the shadow behind. And here is where the break of structure happens, when the candle close below. And yes, very firm and sure, because this is a solid breakout we want to see. You see, a solid breakout, especially a big candles like this. This is what we love. And at the end, have a pullback to the supply zone. You see here, we have one of the supply zone right here. We react from this supply zone, and yeah, we go. Same as well for this will be the last BOS we have before the price is going to have another trend reversal from the bottom zone right here.   to the uptrend. So here, same as well. we change and slightly takes the previous height, the shadow, the wicks level as our break of structure, the line. But the downtrend is going to end when here we have a change of character to push the price. Have another structure again. Can you see the new structure? So this is where the BOS, here is also the BOS. So for every BOS and the change of character, same, we must see the solid breakout to validate the BOS and the CHOCH. But just now we have mentioned one of the key, what is the difference between the fake job and the real job. So for example, here's scenario, the fake job is right here. This is the fake job. So why this is the fake job? Right, so based on the mechanical market structure, this is not the BOS right here because this is not the valid low, because the inducement right here didn't taken out to validate the low here. So when this is not a valid low, then this is also not a valid BOS. This is another extra information, so I will teach in the future what is the mechanical market structure. So when this is not a valid BOS, so right here, same as well. This will be the not a valid high. So this is just a fake job right here. The real job is from here. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and please do follow and subscribe this channel if it's your first time here, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Wish you all the best, happy trading, happy life, happy profit. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.